My friend, this is the coolest thing, yet the weirdest thing. I have several uses for you. This is from the Dollar Tree, and it is absolutely mind-blowing and remarkable. So it has this extender on it. It's like go-go gadget. Yes, this is a back scratcher, but we're not going to use it for our backs. However, when you're in your car, rather than wiggling back and forth trying to scratch your back, yeah, you certainly could bust this baby out, but I have better uses for you. I don't know how many times I eat in my car. Look at how tight the space is. And I drop stuff down here like popcorn and pretzels. Grab your Dollar Tree back scratcher, and then you can get anything out in these tiny little cracks rather than having to get in your back seat and try to fish out all those things that you dropped while you were eating in your car or your kids dropped between their seats. This is also amazing in your laundry room because it's so compact, but how about all those socks and the lint that you drop behind your washing machine and dryer? All you gotta do is grab your good old back scratcher, I like to call it a nice raker, and get everything you need in those hard to reach spaces. Need something on the top shelf of your closet that you cannot reach? No problem. Come to mama. Yahoo! Or that works too. And when you're done, just put it back together, and then you can put it in your glove compartment or in a nice little space like this in your vehicle. And it's good for you when you need it the next time. Now this looks tasty. Just $1 at the Dollar Tree. If you love all things cleaning and life hacks, click the video on screen now. Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.